Hey there everybody, how are you all doing? I'm Leon and welcome to a new video. I produce content every day focused around video production, making money online, tutorials and business. So if those are your interests, then be sure to subscribe with notifications turned on. So today I'm going to be showing you how to download a free video editing software known as Davinci Resolve 17 for free on Windows. Now the reason I'm actually making this tutorial is because people tend to get confused between Davinci Resolve 17 and Davinci Resolve 17 Studio. Therefore, why not make this tutorial? So without any further hesitation, let's just jump right into this tutorial. Okay everybody, so this is the official Davinci Resolve 17 download page, but obviously it says Davinci Resolve 18 because it's a beta version they've just released. But as you can see, this is what I was referring to earlier in the video. People tend to get confused between Davinci Resolve 17 and Davinci Resolve 17 Studio. So you have Davinci Resolve, the free download, and you have Davinci Resolve Studio, the actual paid version. Now you can buy it online for £245, which, let's be honest, you're getting realistically the best deal for what you want, I guess. And so just click the free download. As you can see, they got a beta and all that stuff, but we're gonna go for the 17 version because I don't really trust beta versions of things. But just click on your whatever your OS is, but mine Windows, so just click on Windows, whatever. And essentially I'm not gonna click on this because it'll leak my it'll just leak my information, unfortunately. So just enter all that stuff in and just click register and download. But I actually have the file on my computer, so I'm gonna go to downloads, and essentially that's Davinci Resolve. So double click, and essentially you've got the download exe file right there. So just click on it. And typically you're going to get the do you want to allow this app to make changes, just click yes. And essentially this is the setup wizard. So in order to install Resolve, you must install these components, optional, just download the base one, which is that. Click install. And as you can see, it says welcome to the Davinci Resolve setup wizard, so click next. I accept the terms and license agreement, and then just click next. And click install, and just let it install. And as you can see, Davinci Resolve has been installed. So just click finish, and there you are. Done. Alright everybody, so that's it for how you download Davinci Resolve 17. If this video was of value to you, then be sure to subscribe with the notifications turned on for more content. Give the video a thumbs up and share it to help it rank in search results and help the channel grow. And if you have any questions or feedback for me, then please do not hesitate to leave them down below, or leave me a message at leonofficial_17. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in another video. Take care everybody.